Here are the words so you can practice reading them along with me, especially if there's some words you don't know. Chair, stairs, fair, pears, hair, care, share, stare, spare, square, park, scars, yard, harm, chart, storm, pour, for, sports, short, more, board, snores, swore, shore, pour, chair, care, more, park, for, stairs, share, board, scars, sports, fair, stare, snores, yard, short, pears, spare, swore, harm, storm, hair, square, shore, chart. Now the second half, I do want you to get onto this half if you are still going, like if you have time left in your minute. Staircase, dairy, hairbrush, repairing, unfairly, beware, prepared, compared, unaware, nightmares, superstar, disregard, landmark, restarted, harmful, recorded, thunderstorm, platform, newborn, transported, pouring, downpour, yourselves, resources, detour, anymore, restore, before, ignore, evermore, disregard, platform, repairing, beware, resources, restarted, transportation, dairy, unprepared, restored, harmfully, thunderstorms, unfairly, unaware, ignored, imported, exported, detours, yourselves, folklore. So read it for a minute, see how many words you can get and record it, and then try again for then underline all the R-controlled vowel spellings. Try again, see if you can get more words. Good way to practice your fluency, practice reading some different word patterns. Good luck!